LLumin monitors the real-time vitals of all machines across all your facilities by integrating directly into your control system or other source of machine condition intelligence. This allows you to automatically trigger proactive maintenance actions at the first sign of an issue or alarm. You can set up triggers for any machine parameter change that matters. Temperature spikes, increased vibrations, rising pressure, LLumin will automatically initiate the inspection, work order, or parts requisitions needed to fix the issue. And it's easy to set up a new condition-based trigger right from your LLumin dashboard. Here's how. From our facility view, you can see the real-time status of all the assets at your site. The color of each asset indicates the current status of the asset. For example, assets in red are down, assets in orange need maintenance, and green assets are healthy and running. You can filter the view different ways. For example, let's look at only our most critical assets. To see more information about an asset's current state, we can click on it. This shows us the status as well as the real-time values of the conditions being monitored. In this case, the pressure, temperature, vibration, and runtime hours. To see the condition-based triggers, we bring up the asset detail screen. The relevant tags from our control system have been linked to this asset, which allows LLumin to monitor the real-time conditions of the asset. We have several rules on this asset, including one that monitors for a spike in the temperature and vibration levels. Every rule consists of 3 basic components: the conditions that trigger the rule, who we want to notify and how, and finally, any specific actions we want the system to take. This rule consists of 2 conditions. The first condition is when the tag representing the temperature spikes more than 25% above its 7-day moving average. However, an increase in temperature alone isn't cause for an alarm. But if the temperature spikes at the same time that our vibration level starts to rise, then we know we have a condition we want to proactively address before it becomes a downtime event. So we have a second condition requiring the vibration level to be over a certain amount as well. When this condition occurs, notifications are sent out. An email will be sent out to the group of technicians. We have also chosen to escalate this notification if none of the technicians respond within a given time frame. So if no technician has responded within 4 hours, it will escalate to the maintenance supervisors. Since things are getting more urgent now, we're notifying them via SMS text message. So we have a notification being automatically sent based upon real-time conditions, which allows us to be more proactive. But we've also taken this a step further. In addition to sending out notifications, we've told the system to create a work order. This work order will have the specific procedures and parts required to remedy this type of issue, in this case, replacing the bearings. It can also generate a requisition for the parts. Having this detail on the work order shortens the repair time needed and increases the effectiveness of the work. When the work order triggers, it contains the conditions that caused it to trigger, along with the step-by-step procedures required to resolve the issue, and the parts that are required. The LLumin team will of course walk you through how to set these triggers up as part of our implementation process. So, in summary, we've seen how LLumin lets you set up proactive maintenance rules so you can detect when a machine goes out of step and automatically address it before it becomes a downtime event. Far from just automating your regularly scheduled PM activities, LLumin allows you to break free from a reactive maintenance mindset and move to a truly proactive approach, and stop unplanned downtime in its tracks.